Shamrock house with series 1 indicators but concave buttons. Okay, this left hand car. No way, does he talk? Not sure. Yeah, these have definitely been modernised. Still maintained by OTIS. Green buttons, and they have the American voice as well. With a capacity of 910 kilos, does not say what that is in persons on there, but above it does say 13 up there. Here we are back at ground. I'm guessing the original buttons may have been here. There we go.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.